Have you ever stopped to watch a bee buzzing from flower to flower? These tiny creatures, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, are actually performing a dance of survival and sustenance. Each movement, each flight, is a crucial part of a larger, intricate system that supports not just their own species, but countless others, including humans. They might seem like tiny creatures going about their day, but their lives are full of purpose and wonder. Every bee you see is on a mission driven by instinct and necessity. They navigate vast distances using the sun as a compass and their keen sense of smell to locate flowers rich in nectar and pollen. This journey is not just about survival, it's about contributing to the greater good of their hive and, by extension, our planet. Bees are more than just insects. They are nature's architects, responsible for the vibrant tapestry of life we see around us. Their role in pollination is critical, ensuring that plants reproduce and thrive. Without bees, many of the flowers, fruits, and vegetables we take for granted would cease to exist. Their work is a silent symphony of nature, a delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Their world is a hive of activity, a perfectly organized society with specific roles and responsibilities. Each bee has a job to do, and they perform their tasks with remarkable efficiency and dedication. From the queen bee, who lays thousands of eggs, to the worker bees who forage for food and build the hive, to the drones whose sole purpose is to mate with the queen, every member of the hive plays a vital role in its survival. From the moment they emerge from their cells, bees have a job to do, whether it's tending to the queen, foraging for nectar, or guarding the hive. This division of labor is what makes the hive function so smoothly. Each bee knows its role and performs it with unwavering commitment. It's a lesson in teamwork and cooperation that we humans could learn a lot from. Their existence is a testament to the power of teamwork and dedication. The hive operates as a single cohesive unit, with each bee contributing to the collective well-being. This unity is what allows them to thrive in a world full of challenges and dangers. It's a beautiful example of how working together can achieve incredible results. In the grand scheme of nature, bees play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. They are the linchpins of biodiversity, ensuring that plants reproduce and provide food and habitat for other creatures. Without bees, the delicate web of life would unravel, leading to a cascade of negative effects on the environment. They are the unsung heroes of our food chain, responsible for pollinating a vast majority of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we consume. Their work directly impacts our agriculture and food supply, making them indispensable to our survival. Every bite of an apple, every handful of almonds is a testament to the hard work of these tiny pollinators. Without them, our world would be a much duller and less diverse place. The vibrant colors of flowers, the abundance of fresh produce, and the variety of plant life we enjoy are all thanks to the tireless efforts of bees. Their presence enriches our lives in ways we often take for granted. But bees are facing unprecedented challenges today. Pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, and diseases are all taking a toll on their populations. These threats are not just a problem for bees, they are a problem for all of us. The decline of bee populations is a warning sign that our environment is in trouble. Their populations are dwindling due to a variety of factors, many of which are caused by human activities. The use of harmful chemicals in agriculture, the destruction of natural habitats, and the spread of invasive species are all contributing to the decline of bees. If we do not take action, we risk losing these vital creatures and the benefits they provide. It's our responsibility to understand the threats they face and take action to protect these vital creatures. By planting bee-friendly gardens, reducing the use of pesticides, and supporting sustainable farming practices, we can help ensure that bees continue to thrive. Our future depends on the health and well-being of these small but mighty pollinators. Let's work together to create a world where bees can flourish for their sake and ours. A bee colony is a marvel of social organization, a complex and efficient system where every bee has a specific role to play. With each bee playing a specific role, the hive operates like a well-oiled machine, ensuring the survival and prosperity of the colony. At the heart of this intricate society lies the queen, the matriarch responsible for laying all the eggs that will ensure the colony's survival. Her role is crucial, as she is the only bee capable of producing the next generation. She is larger than the other bees and can live for several years, a stark contrast to the shorter lifespans of her worker and drone counterparts. The vast majority of bees in a colony are female worker bees. These industrious females are the backbone of the hive, performing a multitude of tasks that keep the colony running smoothly. These industrious females are responsible for every task within the hive, except for reproduction. They build and maintain the hive, ensuring that it remains a safe and efficient environment for all its inhabitants. They build and clean the hive, care for the larvae, collect food, and even process the nectar into honey, which serves as a vital food source for the colony. And when danger threatens, these same worker bees rise to the occasion, defending the colony from intruders with their stingers. Male bees, known as drones, have only one purpose: to mate with the queen. Their role, though limited, is essential for the genetic diversity and continuation of the colony. They are larger than worker bees, but smaller than the queen. Unlike the workers, drones do not have stingers and are not involved in the daily tasks of the hive. Drones do not have stingers and do not participate in any of the work within the hive. Their lives are relatively short, and they are often expelled from the hive once they have fulfilled their purpose. Their lives are short, ending soon after they mate. This sacrifice ensures that the queen can continue to lay eggs and produce the next generation of bees. The intricate dance between the queen, workers, and drones ensures the continuation of the bee colony. Each bee, regardless of its role, contributes to the overall success and survival of the hive. Each bee plays a vital role in the survival and success of the hive, a testament to the power of cooperation and specialization in the animal kingdom. The harmony and efficiency of a bee colony are a remarkable example of nature's ingenuity. This cooperation and specialization allow the colony to thrive even in the face of challenges. The story of the queen, the workers, and the drones is a powerful reminder of the importance of working together towards a common goal. As we observe these tiny creatures, we can learn valuable lessons about teamwork, dedication, and the beauty of a well-organized community. The bee colony, with its queen, workers, and drones, stands as a symbol of unity and resilience in the natural world. Beyond their roles within the hive, bees also play a crucial part in our ecosystem. Their pollination activities are vital for the growth of many plants and crops, highlighting their importance beyond the confines of their colony. The hive, always bustling with activity, is a testament to the tireless efforts of its inhabitants. Each bee, from the queen to the smallest worker, contributes to the thriving community, showcasing the incredible power of nature's design. In the end, the story of the queen, the workers, and the drones is not just about bees. It's a story about the strength of community, the importance of each individual's contribution, and the wonders of the natural world. So next time you see a bee, remember the intricate and fascinating world it comes from and the vital role it plays in maintaining the balance of our environment. The queen, the workers, and the drones together create a symphony of life, a beautiful and essential part of the natural world that continues to inspire and amaze us. Bees are often called busy bees for a reason. Their tireless work ethic is evident as they flit from one bloom to another, seemingly never resting. But there's more to their activity than meets the eye. Their constant buzzing from flower to flower is not just about collecting food, it's a crucial part of a larger, intricate dance that sustains our ecosystems. This dance is called pollination, a vital process essential for the reproduction of many plants. Without it, the cycle of life for countless species would be disrupted. As bees move from flower to flower, collecting nectar and pollen, they inadvertently transfer these tiny grains of pollen from the male part of a flower to the female part. This seemingly simple act has profound implications. This process, known as pollination, fertilizes the plant, allowing it to produce seeds and fruits. It's a natural mechanism that ensures the survival and propagation of plant species. Without bees and other pollinators, many of the plants we rely on for food and beauty would be unable to reproduce. The absence of these tiny workers would lead to a dramatic decline in the availability of fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Imagine a world without apples, almonds, blueberries, or even coffee. These are just a few examples of the many crops that depend on pollination. The impact on our diets and economies would be profound. Pollination is a fundamental process that sustains life on Earth, and bees are some of its most important agents. Their role in this process cannot be overstated. The relationship between bees and flowering plants is a beautiful example of symbiosis in nature. Each depends on the other for survival, creating a harmonious balance. Bees get the food they need, and in return they help plants reproduce, ensuring the continuation of both species. This mutualistic relationship is a cornerstone of biodiversity. It's a delicate balance that highlights the interconnectedness of all living things. The health of our ecosystems relies on these intricate relationships, and the role of bees is central to this web of life. Beekeepers around the world understand the importance of this relationship. They tend to their hives with care, knowing that the health of their bees directly impacts the health of our environment. Inside the hive, bees work together in a highly organized society. Each bee has a specific role, from the queen who lays eggs to the workers who gather nectar and pollen. Bees communicate with each other through a fascinating behavior known as the waggle dance. This dance conveys information about the location of food sources, demonstrating the complexity of their social interactions. As we observe bees in their natural habitats, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in our world. Their tireless efforts ensure the health and diversity of our ecosystems. The dance of pollination is a testament to the beauty and intricacy of nature. It reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth and the importance of protecting our pollinators. So next time you see a bee buzzing around, take a moment to appreciate the vital work they do. They are not just busy bees. They are the unsung heroes of our natural world. Section 4, From Egg to Worker, a bee's journey. The life cycle of a bee is a fascinating journey of transformation from a tiny egg to a hard-working adult. It all begins when the queen bee lays an egg in a hexagonal cell within the hive. The egg hatches into a small white larva that resembles a tiny grub. The worker bees feed the larva a nutritious substance called royal jelly, which helps it grow rapidly. As the larva grows, it molts its skin several times. After about 6 days, the larva spins a cocoon around itself and enters the pupa stage. Inside the cocoon, the bee undergoes a remarkable metamorphosis, developing legs, wings, and all the other characteristics of an adult bee. Finally, after about 2 weeks, the adult bee emerges from its cocoon, ready to begin its life in the hive. The entire process, from egg to adult, takes about 3 weeks for worker bees. Section 5, Liquid Gold, the making of honey. Honey, the sweet and viscous liquid produced by bees, is a testament to their industrious nature. It is a highly valued food source, prized for its taste and nutritional properties. But few people realize the intricate process behind its creation. Bees collect nectar, a sugary liquid from flowers, using their long tongues. They store the nectar in a special sac called a honey stomach, where enzymes begin breaking down the complex sugars into simpler ones. Back at the hive, worker bees transfer the nectar to other bees, who continue the process of breaking down the sugars. They then deposit the nectar into honeycomb cells, where they fan it with their wings to evaporate excess moisture. As the water content decreases, the nectar becomes thicker and more concentrated, transforming into honey. Once the honey reaches the desired consistency, the bees seal the honeycomb cell with a wax cap, preserving the liquid gold for future consumption.